In this video, we will show you how to add a payment gateway to a Django website. If you guys want to get started with Django, you can use the links down in the description. First, sign up on the Razorpay website and generate API keys. Now define order and order item models in your Django app. The order model should include fields like user, products, total underscore amount, payment underscore ID, and payment underscore status. Then register these models in your admin.py. Create views for handling payment processing, including order creation and payment initiation. Design templates for the checkout process, displaying payment options. Use the Razorpay JavaScript SDK to display the payment button and handle payment responses. Then validate input fields and capture order details. After that, verify the payment process using sandbox accounts. Sign up on the Stripe website and obtain API keys. Next, use pip install Stripe to install the Stripe Python package. Add your Stripe API keys to your Django settings. Create a payment model to store payment details. Then design a payment form to collect your user information. Implement views for payment processing. Next, create templates for payment pages. Use Stripe's checkout API to handle payments securely. Now customize the checkout form as needed. At the end, verify payment functionality. So that's how to add payment gateway in the Django website. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the Django. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.